Everyone's just sensible conversation. What's your debate? What's your main argument? I'm curious.
Are you a Muslim?
Yes.
Please come in. Please come in.
But my knowledge isn't very good.
That's fine. Having a simple conversation.
He's mocking our Islam, Prophet, not speaking.
What's your main argument?
Come to Speaker's Corner. Have you not worked it out yet? Speaker's Corner.
Yeah, what's your main argument? What's your point?
Sure.
Don't come here.
I can.
Calm down.
Okay,
I think Islam
why are you disrespecting the religion? They're saying that you're being disrespectful.
disrespecting.
Why disrespect?
You're coming into my personal space again. You're coming to my personal space
Let
again.
them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk, bro. Let them talk.
Guys, man,
Let them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk.
Fuck off all of you.
Why do you want people to have a
Bro,
conversation?
fuck this guy, man. I wanna fuck you. Fuck this guy.
You want to fuck the guy?
Fuck your country. Wherever you from. Fuck
He wants to fuck the guy. Young man, there's no need to sit down. I said, young man.
I just want to know, like, what's your main point? What's your argument?
I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
And I think Islam
Yeah.
is an evil counterfeit of Christianity. Now, please listen to me.
Yeah.
We live in the UK.
Okay.
In the UK, we respect people.
Yeah.
We have a criminal law in place.
Yeah.
And according to the criminal law that is in place, we can discuss religion,
Yeah.
critique religion.
Yeah.
There is no such thing called disrespecting religion. There's no such thing.
Yeah.
There are other people, Muslims, who are at the park who think if I speak about Islam,
Yeah.
I am disrespecting and therefore they can do terrible
But
things
what's
to
your
me.
point? What's your main, like,
My
argument?
point to you is this.
Yeah.
Islam is an evil religion, out and
No,
out.
it's not. That's not true.
So please explain to me what is there which is good in Islam.
like,
He just said he hasn't got enough knowledge.
He can speak.
I
He
know,
can
but you're all trying to victimize him.
it's not
You are.
Is he your brother?
He's asking him about Islam. He just said that he hasn't got enough
Is he your
knowledge.
brother?
Now you're going to make your camera content. Why do you think? Why do you think
You come
everyone's
too
getting
close to
angry?
me now, please
Why do you
don't.
think everyone's getting angry?
Because you're nutters, you can't defend your religion.
When you find
Now,
out,
to
when
you,
you find
sir.
out he's struggling.
Do you know at Speaker's Corner we come to
Yes,
discuss
It's not
debate.
about we're not
Please don't
about
listen to
anything.
him. Please don't listen. Now to you, sir. Why exactly? Why? My dear friend. There we go. All right. So clearly,
no one wants to speak to you.
clearly the Muslims have given up. Clearly the Muslims have given up on Islam.
Why?
They have given up on defending Islam because there is no substance in Islam.
No substance.
No substance. Islam, out and out, is a mafia ring. Except unlike a regular mafia ring, this has been international and has been going on for more than a millennia. And that is the only difference between the regular mafia and Islam. Islam is a proper criminal network. You think about the worst kind of crimes that you can think of, you get that in Islam. Murder, you have it in Islam. Terrorism, you have it in Islam. Abuse of women, you have it in Islam. Abuse of children, you have it in Islam. Taking away free speech, you have it in Islam. Taking away free speech, even at Speaker's Corner, you have it in Islam. Acting, not intending to peacefully coexist with the Jews and Christians, with people who disagree with you on religion, you have it in Islam. Stealing other people's properties, you have it in Islam. Mocking others, harassing others, you have it in Islam. What evil is not in Islam? Lying, you have it in Islam. My dear friend, treating women as sex slaves, you have it in Islam. Islam, out and out. I'm not talking about a little portion. I'm not talking about some extreme elements. I'm not talking about some crazy people who live in Afghanistan. I am talking about the Quran in its entirety. Is a manual on how to commit a crime. You can choose the kind of crime you want to commit, and the Quran will make you an expert in the crime. Yeah, including having a brothel. which is, by the way, calling people to have a brothel in the UK is a criminal offense. You have it in Islam. Everything which is evil, you have it in Islam. My dear friends, I have read the Quran. This is why you stood here. I'm trying to have a sincere conversation. I didn't threaten you. You are a sensible human being. You are, I'm assuming, an adult, maybe 20 years of age or something. An adult in the UK at Speaker's Corner. But what does the mafia do? The mafia will prevent you from even engaging in a conversation.
Who's the mafia?
The one who came and pulled you away.
Why is he mafia?
Well, the one who doesn't want you to think and would want you to be part of the ring. You know what mafia does? Do you know what mafia would do? If you ever become part of the mafia, don't do, yeah? One mafia is enough in your life. Islam is one mafia, that's enough in your life. But if you're not part of any other mafia, please don't become. You know what they'll do? The moment you become a mafia member, you can't leave. If you leave, they'll take your life away. That is what the mafia would do, and that is what Islam does. My dear friends, to you, my dear friend, I've given a list of things. Abusing women, pedophilia, treating women as sex slaves, murdering Jews and Christians merely because we disagree on religion, not intending to live in peace with the Jews and Christians. My dear friend, please listen. I'm not insulting, I'm stating facts from the Quran. Stating facts as they are, black and white. Now I completely understand stating facts from the Quran would be insulting. I completely understand. And the reason the stating of facts from the Quran is insulting is because the Quran is insulting. The Quran is an evil book. Now I would like to read some nice portions from the Quran which will debunk the evil nature of Islam, and that is where I'm asking the Muslims. How exactly, my dear friend, do you think Islam is a good religion? Please come, explain.
I don't have enough knowledge.
And this is the problem. The ones who want to engage will be made to say that you don't have knowledge. My dear friend, you're old enough. You have a brain that can work. And so, I am trying to have a sincere conversation. My dear friend, I am trying to have a sincere conversation. There is only one thing that would prevent you from having this sincere conversation. There's only one thing. Do you know what that is?
I don't want to say something.
Sure. Someone assaulted you. Everywhere. I mean, what's the bet that that isn't a Muslim?
They don't want you to talk. They want to stop your mouth. They want you to get out of here. You can't get out. We're not going to get out. They can't get us out. We're not getting out. We just stop our mouth. Human right. You know how long we've been here? We've been here a long time. Been here a long time.
This is the shame, my dear friends. So please,
Can't just get people out now.
the proof copy for the paperback, the proof is ready. Is that fine now, Joel? Yes.
That same one, that one is you.
Same one. The younger one or the one with the hat?
Hat, yeah.
They've been paid to come
another
here.
Muslim.
They've been paid to come here. I'm sure it's all part of a...
You have to watch your back, he might jump you.
Say again.
That's why we're
He
here.
might jump you.
I ain't doing nothing, I love them.
Are you deaf?
So terrible, this is terrible Islam. You know, the only reason I don't use the term terrible Islam is because Islam already is terrible. So you don't, if I say terrible Islam, that's just redundant terminology. The only reason I don't say criminal Islam very often is because Islam in itself is criminal. So if I said criminal Islam, I'm only being redundant in my expression. And so my dear friends, look at him, look at all these fellows. All of these are proper, full-time troublemakers. And that's what they are trying to do as part of being Dawa gang. This is why I repeatedly call them the mafia. The book, the proof, this is the proof copy. The proof copy of the book is now ready.
What's the name of the book?
The coming Islamic takeover of the West.
It's on Amazon.
It's not on Amazon, it's on Shopify.
Shopify.
If you head to Operation Stephen,
Okay.
in the description, in our YouTube channel, in the description of videos, you should find the link. 400 odd pages.
400 pages.
400 odd pages, 440 or something.
Well done.
Properly crammed up text.
Well done, Arun.
Still 440 pages.
Well done, Arun.
What would you find here? A proper exposition of one aspect of the criminality of Islam. What does Islam intend to do with our nations? Well, the answer is here. What does Islam want to do with the UK, with the US, with Australia, New Zealand, France, Germany, Italy,
Is it good thing? Is it
Belgium, Norway?
good things or good things that they're going to do?
Let me ask him.
They're going to do...
Will you debate with him? He's very knowledgeable. He said he's okay with it.
Which one?
That guy there with the cap.
That gentleman can't put together two statements at a time. You're talking about the blue.
Yeah, blue book.
Him is a bit confused. Bring someone else. Maser, you know Maser? Bring, you know Maser?
Who's Maser?
Dawa wise, Mansoor.
Because if you debate with someone with more knowledge, it'll be a good
Sure.
debate. You
Please
know what I
bring,
mean?
please bring. Please, you know, Smile to Banana.
Who's that?
Smile to Banana.
Smile to banana. Who's
You
that?
know, he goes by the name Smile to Jannah or something.
Okay.
You know him. Yeah? There are other mafia gang ringleaders.
let me ask
Please, please bring them. Not this fellow. This fellow is already, we need to give him medical help. If you need to help him, please bring him. Ring 999.
If he's okay
You
with
see that gentleman over there, the red scarf. Please bring him.
Yeah?
Please bring him. Tell him there is a debate on the Quran, the text of the Quran. Please.